So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a new replacement card on the KOHO Financial application. So to access your card, go to the KOHO app, then go to the bottom left and press on Home. And then under Spend right here, so for example, if you were on like the Save tab, slide this bar all the way to the left and press on Spend. Go ahead and press on your virtual card right here. So on this page, you're able to see your cards. So there's your virtual card, your physical card, whatever the case may be. Now, let's say, for example, you lose this card, you're not too sure what happens to it, etc. Just scroll down a little bit to where it says replace card right here, and then go ahead and select that option. It'll then bring you to this screen right here that says replace your card. Your current virtual card will be canceled immediately. So if you're really sure about this and they want to issue a new virtual card right away, go ahead and press replace my card right there. If you're not too sure about that, just exit out and it's pretty straightforward after that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to get a new replacement card on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.